Hi. Welcome to Cobie AI Smart Worksheets, where worksheets are combined with explanations. Let's start. Add the following fractions: 724 plus 924. Simplify your answers if possible. The denominators of the fractions are both 24. This means they already have like denominators, so we can proceed directly to adding the numerators. We can add the numerators 7 and 9 together. 7 plus 9 equals 16. Write the sum of the numerators over the common denominator, 1624. We can simplify the fraction 1624 by dividing both the numerator and the denominator by their greatest common divisor, which is 8. This gives us 2/3. That is it. And remember, mathematics gives us special tools to solve tricky puzzles with clarity and accuracy. Bye.